Today we will be continuing with the potential step. Earlier we have calculated C is equal to 2P1A upon P1 plus P2 and B is equal to P1 minus P2 upon P1 plus P2 into A, where P1 is equal to under root 2ME and P2 is equal to under root 2M into E minus V0, and B and C represent the amplitude of the reflected and transmitted beam respectively in terms of amplitude of incident wave. Now here there are two cases arises. Case number 1, when E is greater than V0. So when E is greater than V0, in this case P2 is equal to under root 2M into E minus V0, which will be real. In this case the expression for current density in the first and second region may be derived as follows. In first region we have psi 1 is equal to A e raised to power iota P1x upon h cross plus B into e raised to power minus iota P1x upon h cross, and its complex conjugate psi 1 star will be given by psi 1 star is equal to A star e raised to power minus iota P1x upon h cross plus B star into e raised to power iota P1x upon h cross, so that we can say that del psi 1 upon del x will be equal to differentiating this equation with respect to x. This is equal to I P1 upon h cross A e raised to power iota P1x upon h cross minus B into e raised to power minus iota P1x upon h cross, and del psi 1 star upon del x, differentiating this equation with respect to x, we get minus iota P1 upon h cross into A star into e raised to power minus iota P1x upon h cross minus B star into e raised to power iota P1x upon h cross. So probability current is defined as, we know that J is equal to h cross upon 2im psi star del psi minus psi del psi star. So this expression in the case for the first region becomes, suppose first region we denoted by Jx1. So this will be h cross upon 2im psi 1 star del psi 1 upon del x minus psi 1 del psi 1 star upon del x. Since in this case electrons are moving only along x-axis, so using the values psi 1 star, del psi 1 and del psi 1 star that we have calculated earlier, putting these values in this equation, we get psi 1 star is equal to h cross upon 2im A star e raised to power minus iota P1x upon h cross plus B star into e raised to power plus iota P1x upon h cross into iota P1 upon h cross into e raised to power iota P1x upon h cross minus B e raised to power minus iota P1x upon h cross minus A e raised to power iota P1x upon h cross plus B e raised to power minus iota P1x upon h cross into iota P1 upon h cross A star e raised to power minus iota P1x upon h cross plus B star e raised to power iota P1x upon h cross. So this will be equal to P1 into A star minus BB star upon M. So this will be equal to P1 upon M A square minus B square. From this expression it is clear that the current in the first region to make up the difference between two terms, of which the first is proportional to P1 A square and represent the wave travelling from left to right, that is the incident wave, where the second is proportional to P1 B square and represent the wave travelling from right to left, that is reflected wave. So the probability current of the incident beam will be P1 upon M into A square, and the probability current of the reflected beam will be P1 upon M into B square. So now in second region we can say that psi 2 is equal to e raised to power iota P2x upon h cross, psi 2 star is equal to c star e raised to power minus iota P2x upon h cross, del psi 2 upon del x is equal to iota p2 upon h cross c e raised to power iota p2x upon h cross, and del psi 2 star upon del x is equal to minus iota p2 upon h cross c star e raised to power minus iota p2x upon h cross. So gx2 will be equal to h cross upon 2im psi 2 star del psi 2 upon del x minus psi 2 del psi 2 star upon del x by definition. So gx2, value of gx2 will be h cross upon 2im c star e raised to power iota p2x upon h cross iota p2 upon h cross c e raised to power iota p2x upon h cross minus c e raised to power iota p2x upon h cross minus into minus iota p2 upon h cross c star e raised to power iota p2x upon h cross. So this, on solving this, we get gx2 as p2 upon m into c square. So in second region there is only transmitted wave, therefore the above equation represent the transmitted current. Now we can obtain the expression for reflected and transmitted in this case, that is when E is greater than V0 or P2 is real. Now the reflectance R will be equal to magnitude of reflected current upon magnitude of incident current. So this will be equal to B square into P1 upon M, A square upon P1M. So this, on solving this, we get R is equal to P1 minus P2 whole square upon P1 plus P2 ka whole square. And the transmittance T capital will be equal to magnitude of transmitted current upon magnitude of incident current. So this will be equal to C square into P2 upon M upon A square into P1 upon M. So this will be equal to 4 P1 P2 upon P1 plus P2 ka whole square. So this will be the value of R, this will be the value of T. Now what will be the value of R plus T? On adding these two equations, we get P1 minus P2 whole square upon P1 plus P2 whole square plus 4 P1 P2 upon P1 plus P2 whole square, which will be equal to 1. So it is clear that reflectance approaches 0 as P2 approaches P1 and unity as P2 approaches 0. But P2 is equal to under root 2m into E minus V0 and P1 is equal to under root 2me. Clearly P2 will approach P1 if V0 is 0, and hence the reflection will be only if V0 is equal to 0. Therefore, there must be some reflection even if E is greater than or equal to V0. The reflectance will be large only if V0 becomes compatible in size with E. It should be noted that the property of reflection and a sudden change in potential arises from wave nature of matter and does not exist in classical theory if E is greater than V0. Thus we may say that it is purely a quantum mechanical effect. Now case second, when E is less than V0, so P2 will be equal to 2m into under root E minus V0, which is equal to iota under root 2m into V0 minus E, which is imaginary. So P2 is equal to iota under root 2m V0 minus E. P2 star will be minus iota under root 2m into V0 minus E, which is equal to minus P2. As P2 is imaginary, the probability current associated with wave function psi2 may be calculated as follows. Psi2, we know that psi2 is equal to C e raised to power iota P2x upon h cross. Psi2 star will be C star into e raised to power minus iota P2 star x upon h cross. Here P2 is imaginary. So that del psi2 upon del x is equal to iota P2 upon h cross C e raised to power iota P2x upon h cross, and del psi2 star upon del x is equal to minus iota P2 star upon h cross C star e raised to power minus iota P2x upon h cross. So the probability current in this case will be equal to, probability current will be given by Jx is equal to h cross upon 2im psi2 star del psi2 upon del x minus psi2 del psi2 star upon del x. Putting these values in above equation psi 2 del psi 2 upon del x psi 2 star del psi 2, we get Gx is equal to 0. So that transmitted current is 0. Now since the transmittance capital T is given by magnitude of transmitted current upon magnitude of reflected current, so this will be also be equal to 0. The reflectance is equal to 1 because we know that R plus T is equal to 1. So reflectance will be equal to 1. We can calculate this as magnitude of reflected current upon magnitude of incident current. So we can say that BB star into P1 upon M into A star P1 upon M. Putting these values, we get R is equal to 1. So from these two equations, it is clear that in the case the entire wave is reflected, that is all the electrons are reflected and none of them is transmitted. Thank you.